Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to learn about SAP Analytics Cloud's data connectivity capabilities. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify what connections are available to your data in SAC, know the difference between importing data versus live data connections, and understand data refresh options. In the ever-evolving landscape of data-driven decision-making, the ability to seamlessly connect to various data sources is paramount. SAP Analytics Cloud not only recognizes this need, but excels in meeting it. Diverse data source support. First and foremost, SAP Analytics Cloud is designed to connect with a wide range of data sources, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're working with spreadsheets, databases, cloud applications, flat files, or web services, SAP Analytics Cloud has you covered. You can import data from Excel, Google Sheets, on-premise or cloud-based data like SAP HANA, SAP BW, SQL Server, Oracle, and more. Even data from cloud-based applications such as Salesforce, SAP S/4HANA, and SuccessFactors can seamlessly be integrated. The platform also handles data from flat file formats like CSV and text files, and it can connect to RESTful and OData web services for real-time data retrieval. Data import and transformation. SAP Analytics Cloud empowers users with robust tools to import data from these diverse sources and ensures that it aligns perfectly with your reporting requirements. Data cleansing, formatting, and structuring can all be managed during the import process. Live data connectivity. In some cases, SAP Analytics Cloud offers live connectivity options. This means you can create reports and stories directly on top of the source data without needing to import it into the platform. This ensures that your analyses are always based on the most up-to-date information, a crucial feature for timely decision-making. Scheduled data refresh. For imported data, you have the flexibility to schedule automatic refreshes. This ensures that your reports and stories remain current without manual intervention. You can set refresh intervals to align with your business needs, whether that's daily, weekly, or on a custom schedule. Data blending. Sometimes you need to combine data from various systems or applications to gain a holistic view of your business. SAP Analytics Cloud enables users to blend data from multiple sources into a single model, simplifying complex data integration challenges. Data connection management. SAP Analytics Cloud provides a centralized repository for managing data connections. Users can configure and maintain connections effortlessly, which makes it easy to update connection details or troubleshoot issues. Security and access control. Data security is a top priority. SAP Analytics Cloud incorporates robust security features, including role-based access control, data encryption, and single sign-on, ensuring that data access from various sources remains secure and compliant with regulatory requirements. User-friendly interface. Lastly, SAP Analytics Cloud user-friendly interface simplifies the process of connecting to data sources. It offers a drag-and-drop approach for data import and transformation, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. SAP Analytics Cloud data connectivity capabilities are designed to empower you with the flexibility, control, and security you need when working with diverse data sources. Whether you're importing, transforming, or connecting to live data, this platform ensures that your analyses are accurate, up-to-date, and compliant. It truly streamlines the path from data to insights, enhancing your ability to make data-driven decisions. In this lesson, we learned what connections are available to our data in SAC. We saw the difference between importing data versus live data connections, and we learned about our data refresh options.